Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber Sharniece. In today's video, we're gonna do a pack with me, okay? So as y'all can see, I have my little 3-piece luggage behind me. And you guys, we are leaving tomorrow for Vegas. Y'all, I've packed so many things. We're gonna be there for a good little amount of time. And I just presume we're gonna change clothes multiple times a day. You never know what's gonna go down, so I got an array of things. I also have a vacation prep that should be live on the channel right now. So you can see me get my nails, my lashes, my hair, my toesy woesies, all that done and everything that I did to get ready for this vacation. Okay, so as I told you guys, I just brought all my makeup stuff in here. I literally have my entire makeup drawer. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack everything that I actually want to take with me into this little makeup travel bag, okay? So before we even get started into the video, I want to thank you guys again so much for tuning in. Like this video, leave me a comment down below. Tell me the type of stuff that you take with you on vacation, girl, because I want to know, okay? I actually have some sponsored content that I need to film, and I'm thinking about filming it while I'm there in Vegas. However, I've been using the products lately, and I've actually been really enjoying them, which is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. So I think this color may be okay, but I'm gonna take another foundation as a backup, which will be my Too Faced Born This Way in the color Chai. Also want to take my concealers. This is the Skin Full Cover Concealer, as well as my Tarte Shape Tape. And this is a color Tan Sand. And I also really like the Skin Corrector Stick by Bobbi Brown as well. And I have this in the color Very Deep. Now, because I don't know what to expect for the weather as far as it's gonna be hot as heck. I also have been told that it's gonna be super dry out there. So I'm gonna take a few different primers. So I'm gonna take this Mentor Cosmetics Perfect Primer as well as my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And then I'm also gonna take my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Absolutely love this stuff. And depending on how beat we trying to get, honey, I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown foundation stick. There's a lot of Bobbi Brown, ain't it? And this is the color Espresso for my contour. Okay, we are cooking with grease. So that's what I have going across the top here. Definitely gotta take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I'm gonna take my micellar water so I can take my makeup off. I do have makeup wipes that I need to pack in here as well. I need to go get them out of my room in there. I have some extra set of eyelashes just in case I need them. And I'm also gonna take some, because I'm pretty sure my sister, because she's going on the trip too, is gonna need some eyelashes. So let me just pack those. Also gonna pack one eyeshadow palette, something that's really neutral, because I don't like to do a lot of colors on the eye anymore. So I'm gonna do this Morphe Neutral Territory palette. And I have several sponges in here that I can take. So let me grab a couple of these. All right, y'all, so I got my makeup wipes. These are all my new foundation brushes. Pretty sure I'm not gonna need all of these. So I'm just gonna go through and grab the ones that I do think I'm gonna need. Got my pressed powder, and oh my God, how am I gonna close this? Jesus Jermaine Christ. Please come to the front of the office. All right, y'all, so that was the makeup part of it. Next is going to be my toiletries part. So let's go ahead and pack that bag. Okay, guys, so next up we have toiletries. I'm gonna be using my packing cube that I showed you guys in my Amazon video. If you have not checked that out, you definitely should go over. Okay, it's the video prior to this one. Go watch. Well, probably prior to this one. To probably upload another one. Girl, just go back and look. First things first, flushable wipes, okay? Listen, you just make sure you have some. I also re-upped on some sugar scrub because we got to have that. And I re-upped on my Fenty Butter Drop. And then I also got a deodorant from Lumi for down under, okay, for the inner thighs, baby, just in case they want to act up. We're not acting up. You're not gonna catch me. slipping. We got mouthwash. I got my toner. After showers, I love to put on just some like Bath and Body Works stuff or Victoria's Secret stuff. So got this. I got a face mask, my deodorant. Bringing my Vaseline and this little headband that I got is actually a campaign that I need to film. I also got my feminine products because you never know, okay? So I packed all that in here. And then lastly, I got my edge control brush. Okay, so y'all, the amount of clothes that I packed for this trip was absolutely insane. So as you can see here, I'm using my packing cubes to get everything sorted out. And so I started with like all my swimwear, which I didn't even get a freaking chance to wear. I only wore one swimsuit. Y'all, I jinxed myself for my trip. So I couldn't even wear my swimsuits. But anywho, I had like, I think 3 or 4 swimsuits that I could wear. I just knew I was going to get me some bomb pictures. And I'm grabbing some more of my clothes. You guys, I probably had anywhere between like 15 outfits. I think I had like 4 outfits for 4 outfits for like each day, which consisted of dresses, like nightwear, going out, casual wear. I had plenty of shoes, you guys. I packed so many outfits. It was absolutely ridiculous. This is my outfits and my shoes laid out. Pretty much you can see like all the stuff that I packed with me. And yeah, so I had to call Babe in here to help me put everything in the suitcase because I was struggling. So this is pretty much what we ended up with. And yeah, it's quite a bit of clothing, you guys. We still made weight capacity. Unbelievable, but we did. Don't see how that happened. I do thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel and checking out this video. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when the video drops. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel and checking us out. Peace.
Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you haven't sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Done to me, I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.